This is a delightful 4.25 mile walk starting from the old workshop at Sullington. It goes up onto the downs and walks slightly along via the South Downs Way and comes back through a beautiful valley. One of the delights of this walk is the fact that it starts off with about a dozen elm trees dotted around the beginning of the walk round a field. These hills, they look a little bit daunting, but please don't be put off because they are a wonderful climb. It's not a difficult climb at all. It's a very pleasant climb. Very, very pleasant indeed. Ash seeds are just about ready to drop, along with the chestnuts as well lately. This little waterfall is the home of some history. It used to be, in years gone by, part of the Fulling Mill at least. It is now obviously just a waterfall, but in those days fulling was a very important process in the production of wool. This is the beginning of the climb. It's not a massive climb, it's a very pleasant one, and as you go up, so the view seems to expand before you. It's very, very pleasant indeed. Beautiful views right across the Weald and lovely. And the views become more dramatic because the colour schemes thickens and glorifies them, mellows. Wonderful, wonderful. Now we're on the South Downs Way itself. This is 8,000 years apparently. People have still been using the South Downs Way for 8,000 years. What a wonderful achievement. It's a lovely cherry tree, a wild cherry tree. And now we're looking at some fabulous flowers again in the fields, full of it this time of year. Wonderful. This view is 10 times better than what is actually filmed here. It's fabulous. It really is wonderful. The clean air brings with it lichen that goes on even onto the thick trunks of the oak tree. Working my way back now to a nice cup of tea at the old bookshop at Sullington. Well, it's been a beautiful day with lovely views up and down the downs. Although I'm a little bit tired, I must admit, it's a pleasant tiredness. The tiredness filled with really enjoyment.